Tanawa ang gas, guys. Pila ang gas. How much is the gas? They don't know that much. Let's go this way, guys. We're going to downtown. Downtown. Driving around to downtown. This one is now on your one. 24 hours. Oh, there's a new so what's over there that's open now? Over there.
Panera's in there now. Not Panera.
Not
Was
Panera. He was there before.
Fritz Fries.
Fritz.
Is in the place where Panera used to be.
Okay. Dara guys, ang atong Colonial Mall. Colonial. Tanawa guys. Nindot guys siya. Bricky hearts. And that is what it's look like. Yahoo! An icky bricky hearts. Nindot din mga bricks guys. Tanawa ni guys. Kana, yes. Inana ato ang project. Kinalang pakaog. There ang mga kuan dito guys. Yan. Every time downtown nalata sa on the way to Labawang mga side guys, mga brick house. Of course. Terrific. Is this a church, right? It's a church. That is the church. Of course, limpyo tayong mga laway ni Odi. Lahi pa dahil na United States Post Office. Nanata sa Paris doon guys. This one is the Paris City. Yes, ang pink store. Kaya kay Paris na. Downtown yun na guys. Ang mga downtown. First, palayo ng mga kwan. Barber shop. Pa-barber ta guys. Pila kay baya din ha. Live, laugh, and lot. What? Nanatas Paris guys kanina. Traffic na guys. Traffic.